Okay, if you've ever tried to take off a clutch assembly off of an AC compressor, you've probably ran into this problem of when you go to turn the nut to take it off, this whole clutch assembly spins. So I'm going to show you how to isolate this. What you're going to need is a couple of marker flags. Just go ahead and get rid of the plastic flag part. You'll end up with two pieces of wire. And just follow me. Bend this in half, like so. Fit it on here. Bend that back. Bend that back. Get that. Twist it slowly. I want to snap the wire. There you go. And then this pops right off. All right, hope that helps.